Down is best taught when your dog is proficient at sitting first, although it's not totally necessary. But as you see here, River can go from a sit to a down, and she can go from a stand to a down too. The trick to mastering the down is about treat placement and patience. First, here's a down from a sit. With a treat held between your thumb and your pointer finger at your dog's nose, slowly lower the treat down in between the two front paws. Most dogs will curl their head down towards the treat, which results in their belly flopping onto the ground. When the belly hits the ground, click and treat. Does your dog's rear pop up once you have the treat near the ground? Hold tight and be patient. It's pretty typical that the dog will flop down, either because they've given up or because they're trying something different to earn the treat. Click and treat for belly on the ground. Once your dog masters down, teaching a down stay is exactly the same as sit stay. Ask your dog for a down, then begin to delay the click. Can your dog stay for 3 seconds? For 10 seconds? For 30 seconds? How about even longer? Tips for success. Just like the sit, you'll only use a treat to lure your dog into a down no more than the first 10 times. After your dog has the hang of it, fade the lure by using the same hand motion but without the treat. The click marks that your dog did the behavior correctly, but it also signals the end of the behavior. If your dog doesn't hear the click, then they should be remaining in their down. Over time, the goal is to ask your dog to down longer and longer, and from farther and farther away. And just like the sit, gradually ask your dog for longer duration, from farther distances, and in areas with more and more distractions.